Beautiful large one bedroom in Briarwood. This is entrance. This is the living room. A large living room, beautiful hardwood floors, high ceiling, lots of light during the day. It's two closets here. Beautiful kitchen, a lot of cabinets, a lot of counter space. It comes with a dishwasher. Windows in the kitchen. That's the bedroom. A large bedroom can fit a king size or queen size bed with a dresser. It comes with double door closet here. Bathroom all renovated, very clean, beautiful tiles. Another closet here. Beautiful apartment near banks, restaurant, grocery shops. Very close to the train station, the E and F train on a Van Wyck train station. The apartment is very good price, gonna go very quick. If you want to view it, call me or text me so we can schedule a viewing. Thanks for watching the video. Have a wonderful day.